Hey everybody, this is Dane. Want to walk you through this amazing home. So you can get this home, it's as you see here, 1,685 square feet. You can get it in a 3-bedroom, a 4-bedroom, or a 5-bedroom. And one of the most popular layouts is families get the 4-bedroom with the 3-bathroom dual primary suite. We've got a lot of families that are downsizing and they're moving mom or dad in, so they set up that dual primary suite on the other end of the house for mom or dad. And then they have the rest of the house for the kiddos, and then you got your primary suite. I'll walk you through here so you can kind of see. So this home has stainless appliances, big windows over the farm sink there, great storage. Spin around here, very open living concept, which everybody loves. The layout I'm walking through is the 3-bedroom, 2-bath. You could set that room up as a dining room or an office. It's set up as an office right now. We'll come back down here and look at the second living area if you got this layout. It's a great layout for a family that wants 2 living areas. So this will be your second living area with the big windows, fireplace. And then you got 2 more bedrooms down here. These are great, good sized bedrooms in here. Got your dual vanity. This is in the second bathroom in this layout. This is the 3-bedroom, 2-bath layout. So the family that bought this lot model, on occasion you can get the lot models. So this one's sold, but we can definitely get it ordered for you. If you wanted the side-by-side refrigerator, that's not a problem. Check out this utility room. So you come in the door from outside, working in the garden or whatever you've been doing outside. Then you go right in here from the utility room into the primary bathroom, which is, everybody seems to love that. And you have the separate, look how big those windows are over the tub. And then if you come over here, dual sinks again, which everybody seems to love. Lots of lighting. Hey, and look here, you got all your vents up in the ceiling. Everybody loves that. And then you have your separate shower in the primary bathroom. And this has a really large closet in the primary bedroom. Again, this house you can order in a 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, or 5-bedroom. If you want more information, just text me, call, or email in the description below. And if you're watching on your TV, like a lot of families are doing that are downsizing, just get your pen and paper out and write down my cell phone. It's 918-812-3263. Give me a holler. Either me or somebody on my team will be happy to help you out. Hope you all have a great day.